So this is the story of how an engineer built a $1.7 million TFSA with a little help from Tesla stock. So James is 65 years old and retired from his engineering job. So he opened his TFSA back in 2009, and his first investment was in Apple stock. Back then, the iPhone was just starting to gain popularity. He then sold those shares 5 years later in 2014 to buy Tesla stock. Again, James had great timing here because as he bought the shares in 2014, the sales of Tesla vehicles grew, which increased the stock price, which resulted in his TFSA peaking at $1.7 million. Eventually, it went back down to $1 million, but again, this is a crazy amount of money to have inside of your TFSA because you can sell all of that tax-free. And if you were to sell it and pull out that entire amount, he would have increased his contribution room by $1 million. And if that sounds strange to you, I'll put a link below as to how that's calculated on the CRA website. So James and his wife also have a $2.3 million RRSP. They have non-registered accounts, and they have other TFSAs that are managed by their investment advisor at RBC. They also have pension income coming in, as well as a $2 million paid off waterfront home. And James actually accumulated over $1 million without contributing the max, which would have been $95,000 in 2024. He said that he bought Tesla shares the same time when he purchased a Tesla vehicle. And he did some research that reinforced the fact that electric vehicles were the future. As a retired engineer, he enjoyed watching YouTube videos and podcasts on technologies related to Tesla and other things. And his research has helped him to identify many of Tesla's future commercial opportunities. Some of these opportunities are autonomous vehicles or robo-taxis, and Tesla's battery technology becoming a significant provider to the energy grid at peak times. And this passion and understanding for the technology and the engineering behind Tesla and everything that encompasses the company is why he's holding the stock despite the 700,000 decline from its peak. I don't like to invest in anything that I don't truly understand or I'm not interested in or I'm not passionate about because you'll miss something, right? If you don't really understand the company, say you don't consume the product, say you don't, but you're buying it because everyone's buying it, like Nvidia, for example, right? You're going to miss something and maybe you sell too early or, you see a big pullback and you don't buy more. All of those are different variables that you'll come across in your investment journey. They can throw a wrench into your plans, right? For getting $1 million TFSA, for example. But anyways, that's the story. This is a shorter one, but let me know your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more content like this because there's more on the way. And I will see you guys in the next one.